What's up, lovelies? I finally got dressed and did some makeup. I look decent, so I figured I'd come and talk to you guys for a minute, tell you some products that I've been using or some products that I've been sent and plan to use. This is DKNY Be Delicious, and first of all, just look how beautiful the packaging is. So this is Orchard Street. It's very floral and fruity. This is the 3.4 fluid ounces. This one is $100. The key notes are pink lady apple, jasmine, and cedarwood. And I just love how unique the packaging is. It's just so cute. It looks very nice sitting on my vanity. You can find this at Ulta. You can get it as low as $58 for the 1 fluid ounce. So this next scent I'm quite sure you all have heard about. This is Flower Bomb by Viktor & Wolf, and I get so many compliments on this when I wear it. I got this in a set, and I think the set will make a perfect gift for someone. You can find it at Ulta, Sephora. This is the 3.4 fluid ounces, and this one is $180. So this is giving very much bouquet floral. This is too good, so I've been spraying it a lot. What do you want? This guy keeps busting in on me. He's lucky, he's cute, and yes, he still has on his Christmas pajamas. Bye. It Cosmetics. So this is their new Confidence in a Gel Cream. So it hydrates and reduces oil. It's for combination and oily skin types. And it says apply to clean face in the morning and evening. Use upward sweeping motions, and it can also be applied to neck, anywhere your skin needs moisture and rejuvenation. So I'm definitely going to be using this. Yes, Kassan. So this is Garden of Life Organic Protein Powder. It's a good meal replacement for me in the morning if I want to go work out. I'm not gonna lie to you, protein shakes don't always taste the best, but this one is decent. It's not like milkshake good. I don't want to get your hopes up like that. It has 0 sugar. It's 120 calories. 20 grams of protein. This is gluten-free, vegan, with sprouted seeds and grains. So it has probiotics and enzymes to promote digestion. It has iron, vitamin A, vitamin K, calcium, potassium, vitamin E, and it has vitamin D, which is very good for me because I'm vitamin D deficient. So some of the protein that it has is organic pea protein. It has organic sprouted brown rice, buckwheat. It has millet sprout, quinoa sprout, chia sprout, garbanzo bean sprout, lentil sprout, flax seed, sunflower seed sprout, pumpkin seed sprout, sesame seed sprout. So yeah, that's a lot of good ingredients. And then it has an amino acid profile. It has about 18 servings, and this is their 20 ounce. So that brings me to my next thing, and it is a service, I guess you would say, or more so a program. It's called Active and Fit Direct, and with it, I was able to sign up for multiple gyms in my city and only pay 1 monthly fee a month, and it's a very low monthly fee, and I'm able to go to an array of gyms in my area. Right now, I'm signed up for Planet Fitness, LA Fitness, Gold's Gym, and you know, with LA Fitness and Gold's Gyms, those memberships can get quite expensive. And then I'm also signed up right now for the YMCA in my area, and that can get pretty expensive. So with all the gyms, you're enrolled in the basic membership, but I haven't run into any issues with using any of the other accommodations. Like at Planet Fitness, I'm still able to use the hydro beds that they have, which is a big deal for me because I have lower back pain, so I love to use that after my workout. I was able to sign up through them through my bank, which is USAA. So if you have a USAA membership, I would definitely look into that. I've had people and family members sign up through their health insurance, so you may want to check with your health insurance provider to see if this is a program that they have. So yeah, I think that's it for products that I wanted to share with you guys for right now. I think I better wrap this up before he busts in here again. But in the morning, we are gonna take Kassan Easter egg hunting. Can I see your Easter basket? Let me see it, turn it around. Let me see that bunny. You got a cute basket. Ooh, that's cute.
Mommy and Daddy.
So as y'all can see, he was about to act up, and that should have been a clear indication of how this day was gonna go. They had a bunch of bouncy houses for the kids. It was a really cool setup. Sorry. Hey, baby. Thank you. Hassan. They even had an indoor carousel. It was so cute, really nice. But we did not get to ride that. We didn't get to take pictures with the Easter Bunny. We didn't get any balloons because the lines were super long. But as you can see, the whole city was out. Everybody and their mama was out here. So the lines were super long and the wait times were long. We didn't really even get to do anything. And this is the Easter egg hunt. They just threw some eggs out in the field and said, y'all have at it. The adults were not supposed to be out there, but they wasn't about to trample my baby, so I had to go and make sure nobody was trampling over him because they big old selves was not supposed to be out there. And as you can see, all the bigger kids took all the eggs. My baby did not get one egg, and I think maybe somebody gave him like 2-3 eggs just because they felt bad, but he was not happy and I was not happy. But I can't really complain because it was a free event. But yeah, we'll do our own thing next Easter.
Look how you look. You look wild and outrageous. You don't get a balloon. You gotta.
So this is the shirt from my sister's brand. In the event that we're having, my nephew made it for her and just printed her logo on a shirt. Came out good. So I got some fabric scissors that should work good for this. I have this whole sewing machine. I was supposed to be making clothes, learning how to sew, and this has been sitting here for a few years. So that's a whole other story. We're gonna be using the scissors to spruce this shirt up because I got an extra large and it kind of looks bigger than I wanted. See, this is her brand. She makes body butters, oils. So that's Crown and Club, Women Hibiscus. I'll tell you more about that later. So I wanted like a scoop neck effect, so I'm cutting the collar off the shirt. And it's been a while since I did a little DIY, so I was kind of struggling a bit. Look at them thighs, look at them thighs. But I don't know, child. Let's see. So halfway through that, I decided that I wanted a V-neck. Okay, we'll go back to that later. But the real DIY I wanted to show you guys is this. So you just cut the seam of the shirt at the bottom all the way across. Don't throw the seam away because we're actually going to use this. So you can go ahead and split it in two because we're going to use it on both sides of the shirt. Now I'm making holes on the sides of the shirts and I'm just marking them out with the white pencil. I'm making sure there's an even amount of space between them. I recommend actually putting the shirt inside out if you're going to use markers. That way it doesn't make a mess, but I was able to wipe it off. And then you go ahead and cut out the holes. I would recommend doing this actually with like some sort of needle or something smaller because the holes, the fabric does stretch out. So that wasn't the best idea to do it like this. But I was able to make it work, and in total I had 6 holes on both sides. Now you're going to use those strings we made on both sides. You take the first string and you insert it inside of the first hole, and then once it's inside you go ahead and tie a knot that's big enough, that way it doesn't fall out of the hole. And then you're going to weave the rest of the string in and out of the holes till you get to the bottom on the inside of the shirt. You're going to wait to tie your last knot. You want to put the shirt on and then scrunch it and make sure it's at the length that you want. And this is how it came out. I just kept cutting at the shoulders until I got the off the shoulder look. And this is why you want to wait to tie the end of your strings, because you're going to want to scrunch them up to the level that you want, and then you're going to tie a knot. And cut the excess string off, and it just gives the shirt a little bit more shape and adds a nice like draping effect. So this is me at the event. This is what I was looking like. I had to set up all those tables, and then we just getting more direction on what she wanted us to help with.
Create your fragrance. So I can create the fragrance and that little pink.
Yeah. Well, they gotta use the strips. There was a nice little setup of food and drinks. And look at this cake. It's a replica of the body butter. It was music and vibes. Everybody was conversating.
First of all, Hello.
Right.
I'm a little discombobulated, but hello everybody. Welcome to Crown and Glow presents the Sip and Glow experience. It's good to see y'all.
What's your name?
My name is Taniva, and I'm the owner of Crown and Glow. It's a body essential company where we sell body butter and body serums for right now. So we're a new company, about a year and a half, but we're up and rising, so just keep a lookout for us. You should have a card basically telling you all your supplies that you have. It also tells you about your body butter, the base of it, which shows the ingredients and the benefits of it. So you review that card if you can. You want to know a little bit more about that.
So this was a really cool and fun event. I'm really proud of my sister, and I can't wait to see what she does next.
Called Strawberry Fragrance.
Smell good.
All right, baby. Which one? Tropical.
I don't care. It's whatever you think. I trust your judgment. And you know I had to partake in the festivities, so I'm making up my body butter here. I actually didn't come up with the fragrance. I let Tia pick it out because we were busy. But it smelled so good. I did like a mango tropical type smell. So this was definitely a fun experience. I cannot wait to the next one. And it was an overall fun weekend. I hope you enjoyed listening to some of my April favorites and kind of seeing what I did over the weekend. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.